Are you ready to build a stronger and disciplined version of yourself? If your answer is yes, then it's time to do something most people are afraid of: disappearing. Not literally, but in the sense of stepping away from distractions, avoiding meaningless activities, and dedicating your time to self-improvement and growth. Most people just talk, but few take action. You have the power to disappear, build yourself up, and grow. And when you return, the world will be amazed by your results. Here are 5 steps for you to become the best version of yourself. Make sure to watch until the end because the last one is the most important. Step 1. Stay silent. There's no need for others to know about your plans and goals. When you move in silence, you attract less judgment, avoid negative energy, and receive less criticism, allowing you to stay focused. Let your success and results speak for you. Step 2. Don't care about others' opinions. Your life is yours, not a show for spectators. If you try to explain yourself to everyone, there will always be someone who disagrees and holds you back. Some people don't want to see you succeed, so follow your path, make mistakes, learn, and keep going. Those who need to understand will eventually understand. Step 3. Keep your plans a secret. Talking too much about your goals can drain your motivation and raise others' expectations. When you set a big goal, it's tempting to share it, but resist that urge. The fewer people who know, the better. Move in silence and let them be surprised when they see the stronger version of you. Step 4. Embrace hardship. If your path is difficult and full of challenges, that's a good sign. Pain is shaping you into a stronger version of yourself, physically, mentally, and spiritually. Instead of avoiding hardship, embrace it and enjoy the process because the best version of you is waiting on the other side. Step 5. Build a routine based on your goals. Having a routine is the most important thing. Routine make your activities in order. Many people think what they need is motivation, but what you need is discipline because motivation comes and goes. But discipline is showing up every day and stick to your plans no matter what. Discipline means doing what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. And routine means repeating it until it becomes a part of who you are. If you're serious about staying on the path to success, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Don't forget to like and drop a comment telling me what change you're making in your life today. Until the next video, keep pushing forward stronger than ever.